What is up, YouTube? If you can't tell by the name of this video, I was over at Caliber Customs, located here in Fresno, California. This place is an amazing shop. I can't tell you how happy I was to go there and just hang out, even though I got a part installed in my car. But just being around Mikey and the other guys were chill. This isn't a sponsor, but I'm just saying, if you're in the Fresno Valley or the San Joaquin Valley, you should hit up Caliber Customs Madera. They will get you straight up. Hit up Mikey, and you won't be disappointed. I've got some plans for the Subaru. As of right now, the only thing we're doing is a sway bar and possibly tires. Hopefully I'll get tires before the actual event, but as of right now, I think this is just going to be the sway bar being done, and I'm just going to send it. So, before we get to the clips of me being there, again, I just want to thank Mikey and the people at Caliber Customs for letting me come into their domain and take some clips of the vehicle while it was getting the sway bar on. And I just got to say it. If you guys are in the valley, hit up Caliber Customs. So yeah, if you like these videos that I'm still doing, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for more content to come. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Be easy.